Or like put them in a taco, slice them, grill them, put them in a taco. Oh, no, it beats it.
Spam in a taco?
Grilled spam. Oh, I mean like a tortilla.
Grilled spam in a taco.
Tortilla.
I need to know more about the spam manufacturing process before I can trust it. But that's it.
Bless you.
There you go. Oh, there's a lightsaber thing here. I don't.
Have you ever heard about the reasoning behind why people say God bless you after you sneeze?
No.
It's because, from what I understand, it's the belief was that when you sneezed, it was a demon coming out.
There was a ghost or something from you, or
yeah,
by you.
Yeah. Or, no,
yeah.
that you were. It was an evil spirit you were flushing out of your body.
Oh, okay.
And you're supposed to be like, God bless you, to keep it from getting back in there.
Damn, so the people that sneeze like 5 times in a row, they fucking...
Fucking dude, mad
evil bastards.
Look out there.
Yo.
I mean, I sneeze 3 times in a row. Usually it's one right after the other 3 times. I love it. I fucking love sneezing.
Okay. My bro loves sneezing.
Yeah, it's great.
It's his favorite pastime. It's a hobby of his to just sneeze, bro.
Oh, fuck, I can't build. Like, build mode disables an entire button on your controller. You lose a button in build mode.
And what is that?
Your build button. For me,
I mean, I don't
on the Xbox,
have anything different.
When you hit B, nothing happens.